Hey, this is Lyle Alexander, and I want to share with you Easy1Up. Easy1Up company is incredible. So how does Easy1Up really work? Well, I hate to tell you, but the Easy1Up system is so easy to understand. We don't need tons of site pages to explain it. It's designed to be simple. It's not rocket science, no smoke and mirrors, and it will cut through all the digital fog that's running rampant all over the internet. We have killer digital educational products and lots of them. Check out the products page. You want to make big money and fast? We use the reverse 1-up comp plan where you make 100% direct payment on the sales, which means you get your product purchase back on your first sale. That's your break even. You then use the leverage of the pass up on your second sale to accelerate your cash machine. Duplicate that with your team and you'll all run to the bank. Don't get me wrong, this is a business, but a business with a system like no other. Let E1U be your own personal ATM. We're starting at our team is starting at the $25 elevation package with a $5 admin fee and ramping up out of profits and not out of pocket to go to the top. So we suggest that you start out at the $25 package and ramp up to the top out of profits and not out of pocket. If you don't understand the reverse 1-up system, let me just put it into a nutshell. Reverse 1-up means that your second sale passes up. You keep the first and the third sale to infinity wide, and then everyone's second sale comes up to you. The sale does, and so all of their second sales come to you as well. So as you go wide, you'll go deep, and you're making an incredible amount of money. Just have persistence and keep promoting. Share it with everybody all over Facebook, YouTube, Google Plus, one-on-one, direct mail. Just keep sharing it and everything's going to be great. So click the link in the description below. Get started with this right now with the $25 product plus a $5 admin fee. We'll see you at the top. Let's go.